The startup class is a very important class for any ASP.NET Core web application. Let's see what we got in this class. This class has two important methods. First is configure services and second is configure. Let's get these two methods in this startup class. Open the startup class by clicking on this class over here, and here we need to add two methods, public void. First is configure services and second is configure. This configure services method will be used to configure all the services that you want to use in this particular application. And this configure method is used to configure the HTTP request pipeline. We can also say that all the middlewares that we want to use in this application, we can configure all of them in this configure method. To inject the services in this application by using this configure services method, we need to call the iService collection. Let's resolve the namespace. This is available in this Microsoft.extensions.dependency injections. So if we are injecting any kind of service in this method, then it means we are using the dependency injection. Now in this configure method, we need to make some changes specific to the HTTP request pipeline. And for that we can use the iApplication builder. This is available in Microsoft.ASP.NET Core.Builder. And since in any web application we need to deal with the environment, for example, we are in the development environment, or we are in the QA environment, staging environment, or the production environment. We can also create n number of environments based on the requirement of our application. And to get the details, we can also use one more parameter over here, and that is iWebHost environment. Let's resolve the namespace. Here we have created both the methods.